Welcome to JH. Today, I will guide you through modifying an existing GoDaddy website in just 5 minutes. Whether you need to refresh your contact details, upload new inventory, or overhaul your site's appearance, GoDaddy's intuitive platform makes the process simple. Let's get started on tailoring your site to match your current branding or business goals. First, head over to the GoDaddy homepage. Your initial task is logging into your account by clicking the Sign In button located in the upper right corner. This takes you to the login screen where you should enter your username and password carefully. These credentials protect your site from unauthorized access. If you have trouble remembering your password, use the reset link provided. Once your details are in, hit Sign In to enter your dashboard. After logging in, navigate to your settings by clicking your profile icon at the top right. From the resulting menu, choose My Products. This dashboard displays all your GoDaddy services, including domains and hosting. To modify your site, locate the Websites Plus Marketing area. Next to your site, click the Manage button to enter the administrative backend. This powerful area is where you can bring new life to your digital presence. From here, select Edit Website to launch the editor. This interface allows you to add, delete, or change content and design elements in real time. GoDaddy's Builder is accessible for everyone, regardless of technical skill. You can easily update text, swap photos, or adjust layouts using simple drag-and-drop tools to perfectly represent your brand with just a few clicks. As you work, I recommend using the preview feature often. This ensures your layout looks perfect on both desktop and mobile screens before going live. When you are happy with the results, click the Publish button. This is a vital step, as your updates will remain as hidden drafts until you publish them. Keeping your site updated with fresh content and current info is essential for a professional image. Whether you are launching a product or updating a portfolio, these tools make maintaining your online presence straightforward. If you ever need assistance, GoDaddy's support team is available via phone or chat. Thanks for watching this tutorial on editing your GoDaddy site. Stay tuned for more digital tips to help you navigate the web effectively. Happy editing!